behind you.
Showcasing to you. Got the boss just now.
Hello everyone, are you looking to view this top floor corner unit or looking for me? Are you in search of a dream home that's perfectly located with amazing sunrise view and great amenities? Well, look no further. We have an incredible property to show you today. Do stay fast while we show you this limited edition 5-room top floor corner unit. I'm Cedric.
And I'm Eunice, and we are from Property 65.
Let's go to the unit right now. The property has a premium block design completed in 1997 with a balance of 73 years and is still considered young within this vicinity. Located along 447 Bukit Panjang Ring Road, this property is right beside Fajar Shopping Centre and the Wet Market. You can expect an array of amenities such as McDonalds, bakery, ABC convenience store, optical shop, salon, clinics and even clothes alteration service. You will find multiple coffee shop, Sheng Siong Supermarket and Giant Supermarket all within your walking distance. You will also have easy access to Fajar LRT and the BKE and KGE Expressway, and it's just 3 minutes drive away. With 5 LRT stations to Bukit Panjang MRT and stone throw away to Zhenhua Natural Park. Plus, it's only 5 bus stops to Hillen Mall, Junction 10 Mall, making shopping and entertainment a breeze. As for family with children, you'll be glad to know that there's a total of 4 primary schools within 1 kilometer radius, including the reputable West Spring Primary School, which is top 37 in Singapore ranking, and 2-kilometer range, there is a total of 8 primary school choices here. As couple planning with kids, you can find 11 kindergarten and 16 childcare centers within 3 minutes walk away.
As this is an actual quiet unit, we are also on the top floor. You are rewarded with great space, privacy and breezy winds since you have lesser 4 units on this level. This top floor unit comes with a magnificent sunrise view, ensuring no future developments that will block your views. Get beautiful greenery views of Chestnut Park right from this home. This unit is sized at 1,291 square feet, comes with 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, 2 bathrooms, living and dining area, and an enclosed kitchen with a large yard. Entering the unit, you'll be greeted with natural light and ample ventilation, as only this particular unit have more windows as compared to other 5-room flats within the estate.
The living room is spacious with functional layout that includes proper living and dining area. The area is perfect for huge family and to host your gathering. There's also extra storage beneath over there. Moving on to the kitchen, you can create an open kitchen concept in this property. There's for designer perspective that you can consider. Fantastic layout over here, and plus there's a bonus dual end door. The kitchen yard allows you to dry your clothes naturally too, right over here.
Moving on to the bedrooms, there are no built-in furniture to dismantle. You can easily add carpentry and even plan your own renovation ideas to your own customized liking. Look at the wind over here. Very breezy. Hey Siri, where is the nearest food court here?
The nearest one I found is A-Star Food Court on Fajar Road in 23. Would you like to try that one?
Alright.
Great.
Hey Siri, why not? Hey Cedric, I know everything in this location. Look behind you for the amenities. You will find Greenwich Shopping Centre within 7 minutes walk, and Bukit Panjang Plaza is just 9 minute walk away. Alternatively, it is only 1 bus stop away. You will be able to find NTUC Supermarket at Bukit Panjang Plaza. For family with kids, you'll be glad to spend your family day at the nearby Zhenhua Park, Chestnut Park and Bukit Panjang Community Club and Bukit Panjang Public Library, which are all within short walks.
With 2 MRT stops, you'll be at Hillview MRT, where you can shop at the Hill V2 with Zhongjing Grilled Fish, Anytime Fitness, Guardian, Starbucks, Wine Connection, just to name a few. Travel a few minutes and you'll reach the Rail Mall, where it is a must visit when you're near Bukit Panjang. This mesmerizing unblocked view will highly remain for a very long time, almost forever, as it is marked as an open space, the central water catchment of Singapore.
And finally, entering the master bedroom.
The view from the windows offers stunning sunrise views and unblocked greenery views at all times.
The massive space here, perfect for couples who prefer staying in the room with their kid inside. You can also accommodate a full-size king-size bed and a full-height wardrobe over here.
For all the bathrooms here, there are endless renovation concepts you can explore. Look here, and here, and here.
Alright, we have come to the end of the home tour. This unit is definitely a rare gem, and if you are interested to view this unit in person, feel free to contact us. And before you go, remember to click like, share and subscribe.
And you can also find us on all social media platforms. Link in the description box.
Once again, I'm Cedric.
And I'm Eunice.
We are from
Property
65. We uplift your house value. We sell higher
Higher
than your neighbor. Call us to explore your choices today.
And we are from Property 65. Showcasing to you.
Oh, showcasing, I want to.
Got the bus leh, just now. You talk so good then.
Why not? Hey Cedric, I know everything around here. Look behind you. Once again, I'm Cedric.
And I'm Eunice.